Hey there, today we're diving into the DoHonest RV backup camera wireless system. Whether you're cruising in a fifth wheel, towing a camper, or maneuvering a trailer, this setup promises easy installation and reliable performance. Let's talk installation first. Setup is a breeze, especially if your vehicle is pre-wired. Even if it's not, traditional wiring options are available, making it accessible for various setups. And with a 10-minute install time, you'll be up and running in no time. Now, onto functionality. This system boasts a 4-channel feature, allowing for extra cameras to be added at any time. That means you can keep an eye on your entire setup, whether it's the front, rear, or inside of your trailer. Plus, with a 170-degree wide view, safety is paramount, giving you peace of mind while on the road. Nighttime driving? Not a problem. Thanks to its infrared night vision capabilities, you'll get clear, vibrant images even in low-light conditions. The HD 1080p resolution ensures clarity, and the f1.5 aperture coupled with 2 infrared night vision lights enhances visibility after dark. Let's not forget about durability. Constructed with a professional aviation aluminum alloy material, this camera system is built to last. Its heat dissipation properties and sturdy build make it a reliable companion for your travels. The 7-inch screen provides ample viewing space, whether mounted on the windshield or dashboard. And with upgraded touchkey sensors, operation is smooth and responsive, adding to the system's durability and longevity. Waterproof? Absolutely. With an IP69 rating, this system can withstand deep water and impact tests, ensuring it remains sturdy and functional, even with prolonged use. Overall, the DoHonest RV backup camera wireless system is a versatile and reliable option for RVs, trailers, trucks, and more. Backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, it's a purchase you can trust for years to come. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.